Hello students, today we will start the second chapter, whole numbers. In this class, we will learn about whole numbers, predecessor and successor, operations of whole numbers on a number line, exercise 2.1. In the previous class, we have learned about natural numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. are called natural numbers. Whole numbers. The natural numbers along with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. So the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. form whole numbers. Facts about whole numbers. 0 is the smallest whole number. There are infinitely many whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. Successor of a whole number. The successor of a whole number is obtained by adding 1 to it. Example, successor of 1 is 2. Predecessor of a whole number. The predecessor of a whole number is 1 less than the given number. Example, the predecessor of 1 is 0. The number line. Draw a line. Mark a point on it and label it as 0. Mark a second point to the right of 0 at a certain distance and label it as 1. Then the distance between the points labeled as 0 and 1 is called unit distance. Now mark another point on this line to the right of 1 at a unit distance from 1 and label it as 2. Proceeding in this manner, we may find consecutive points and label them as 3, 4 and 5, etc. in order. This line is called the number line of whole numbers. Addition on the number line. Let us add 3 and 4. Here we start from 3 on the number line and make 4 jumps to the right by unit distance each. We reach the point 7. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Subtraction on a number line. Let us find 7 minus 5. We start from 7 on the number line and make 5 jumps to the left by unit distance each. We reach the point 2. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Multiplication on a number line. Let us find 3 multiplied by 4. Here we start from 0 on the number line and move 3 units to the right at a time. We make 4 such moves. We reach the point 12. So 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Exercise 2.1. Write next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. To get the next natural number, we can add 1 to the given natural number. So 10,999 plus 1 is equal to 11,000. 11,000 plus 1 is equal to 11,001. 11,001 plus 1 is equal to 11,002. So the numbers are 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002. Question 3. Which is the smallest whole number? 0 is the smallest whole number. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? There are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. Write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. To find the previous number, subtract 1 from the given number. So 10,001 minus 1 is equal to 10,000. 10,000 minus 1 is equal to 9,999. 9,999 minus 1 is equal to 9,998. So the numbers are 10,000, 9,999, 9,998. Write the successors of the given numbers. We can get the successors of the given numbers by adding 1 to the given number. The successors are 24 lakh 40,702, 10 lakh 200, 11,000, 23 lakh 45,671. Question number 6. Write the predecessors of the given numbers. To get the predecessor of a given number, subtract 1 from the given number. So, in this question, the predecessors are 93, 9,999, 20 lakh 80,089, 7 crore 65,000, 7 crore 65 lakh 43,320. Question number 7. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also, write them with the appropriate sign greater than or less than between them. A. 530, 503. 503 is on the left side of 530 on the number line. Hence, 530 is greater than 503. Question B. 370, 307. 307 is on the left side of 370 on the number line. Hence, 370 is greater than 307. Question C. 98,765, 56,789. 56,789 is on the left side of 98,765 on the number line. Hence, 98,765 is greater than 56,789. 98 lakh 30,415, 10 crore 23,001. 98 lakh 30,415 is on the left side of 10 crore 23,001. Hence, 98 lakh 30,415 is less than 10 lakh 23,001. Question number 8. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? 0 is the smallest natural number. This statement is false because 1 is the smallest natural number. 400 is the predecessor of 399. This statement is also false because 398 is the predecessor of 399. 0 is the smallest whole number. True. 600 is the successor of 599. True. All natural numbers are whole numbers. True. All whole numbers are natural numbers. This statement is false because 0 is a whole number but it is not a natural number. The predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single digit. False. Example, the predecessor of 10 is 9. 1 is the smallest whole number. False. 0 is the smallest whole number. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. True. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. False. 0 is the predecessor of 1 which is a whole number. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. False. The whole number 13 lies between 12 and 14. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. True. The successor of a two-digit number is always a two-digit number. False. Example, the successor of 99 is 100, which is a three-digit number. Home assignment. Write exercise 2.1 in your notebook. Write workbook page number 14, question number 5 and 6, page number 15, question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you.